Come on. Oh, okay. We are live. We are live. So it's time to talk about the week. What is this? Come on. It's time to talk about the week. Last week, um, last week I do not know what was wrong. Something happened to my streaming software, and I was not able to stream last week. So what I did was, I just I decided not to stream. I wanted to come back later. I know. So I I just gave myself like a break, bro, like a break. I do not know what's wrong with my hair. I just decided to give myself a break. I just left it as is, and I was like, let me just come back next Friday and show what I got. Right? Last week, I did the stream before that. Remember, I told you that I was going to start outreaching to clients again. Yes, I've been doing that for the past week. Haven't gotten any, haven't got to like closed any clients yet, but I've gotten some responses. I've gotten some responses, though they were like negative ones, but I still got responses. I'm going to continue that until I'm able to close a client this month, hopefully. Because right now it's just about consistency and just doing everything like, daily and just repeating that on itself. So that is the plan. When it when it comes to building out monoscale, I was not able to show you last time because there was a problem with my what with the app, the coding agent that I was using to show it. So I was not able to show it. But today, I think we have, yes, we have it ready. We have it. I'll be able to show it today. I will, let me, yes, I will be able to show it today. So when it came to what I was posting every day, was reaching out to clients every day. What else? Was getting back into copywriting, writing a few emails, a few ads, some landing page copy. I was just going through all of it, just doing it and reaching out to clients, reaching out to prospects as well. So that's what I was doing for like the past weekends. When it comes to monoscale, the reason why I'm really looking for the client right now is so that I can be able to pay for the subscription to continue using the coding agents that I'm using currently, because my monthly credits ran out. Yeah, they did. They ran out. So now, if I'm able to get cash, I'll pay for that and then continue building monoscale and doing that. But let me show you what we have here. Here we go. Come on, listen. There we go. So, as you remember last time, I said that the Google Studio, Google AI Studio code was just bad. I was not able to connect it to this. It just had a lot of junk and like a lot of syntax errors, and the code was not good. It needed to be cleaned, debugged, and all of that, which was hectic. So I decided to scrap all of that, come back here to my landing page, and then what, and then the um, build out the actual value part of the app, the part that actually provides the automations and the Yeah, the automations, basically. As you can see, landing page still looks the same as last time. It still looks the same as last time, but we can try logging in. Let's get started. Come on, come on. Uh, Give me a second. When it came to building out the second part of the app, it was difficult. It was difficult because I had to think again every time code it, make sure that it's working, make sure that it's working well, make sure I know what I'm telling the agents, just just all that stuff. At this point, the only thing holding me back is the agents that I'm using. The agent that I'm using is the only thing holding me back. But once I'm able to get those, once I'm able to pay for the subscription, everything would go. Okay, not everything, but most of the tasks would go by smoothly. And then we'll try and fix the other problems that the page is loading right now. But yes, what else? Consistency is hard. Consistency is hard. I'm not gonna lie to you. When it comes to, like I said before, with the second things that becoming boring, I I like disconnect and whatever. But having a set amount of what tasks, like daily goals that I'm supposed to achieve and make sure they happen, that has helped a lot. That has helped because now I know what is important, and I'm not just focusing on the end result, the end goal. I'm just focusing on what will allow me to reach that end result. So now the daily, copywriting practice that I put in, the planning that I'm doing for the app, what else? The outreaching that I'm doing, all of that, those are daily things that I need to be doing that are going to help push me closer to what it is that I want, my end goal. So it's just about sticking in it long enough to see any tangible results. Because right now I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing like any results from it. But I know it's just a matter of sticking it through and then seeing something come out of it, something. And whatever that thing is, I don't know. I don't know. But saying something is better than nothing. Yeah. But am I willing to stay in it long enough? Now that's another question. That's a question for another day. What am I saying? Yes, of course, of course. I don't know what I'm thinking. Of course, I need to be willing to stick to it for a long enough period of time. Mm, Give me a second. Just figuring things out. So for here, um, And by the way, how is I've been seeing the form for the waitlist. I've been seeing the waitlist form. Guys, if you want to join the waitlist and gain early access, you can click the link in the description. It's not like a lot of questions, just a few things. Just a few questions. You click yes, and then boom, you're in the waitlist. You're going to gain early access to Monoscale. And the day that this app launches, you are going to see it. Right? You're going to be one of the first people to see it. Mm, and to use it and to see how it works. Yeah. Let me add this stage to that. Come down. Yes. So where were we? Yes. And we're going to log in. It is taking its sweet time. But there we go. It's kind of slow. Yeah. Oh. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to run. I'm just going to give you the rundown that I gave last time. Once you click on to sign in or like create an account, once you've created an account you're in, you're going to see the admin dashboard. This is where you're going to see like what um don't look at this right now, but here's where you're going to see your different like sub accounts and see more and control everything. So now in the admin panel, you're going to be able to do just oversee everything from here, right? Then we have prospecting, forget about that. Then we have sub accounts. So now once you're here, once you have a sub account, as you can see, you click on switch to sub account. Once you're inside, you're going to what? See all of this. You're going to see the dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, settings, and all that good stuff. All right. I do not I do not know why it's like this. I'll fix it later. But this is what it looks like. All right. And conversations, this is what conversations will look like. Just here's where you're going to have, or here's where you're going to be able to communicate with your contacts. Basically, people that you have in your contacts, here's where you're going to communicate with them, send messages, receive messages. You're going to have manual actions, snippets, triggers, and all that. Calendars, nothing is in there yet. Payment opportunities, marketing, Automations, this is the part that needs, or this is the part that I'm taking extra care into, because this is where the value is going to be coming from, right? This is where, like, what, this is where all the automations are going to come from. Right now, I can't really show you everything. Everything you're seeing over here is just dummy data. It's not it's not that important. But that is what I got. That is what I got right now, honestly. That's literally everything I have. We are going to we are going to go on a sprint the second I'm able to pay for the subscription. We're going to go on a sprint and just clean up everything, make sure the automations are actually working properly. And what and I also continue to document this and to be consistent. That is the most important thing. Consistency is the most important thing right now. And I just keep telling myself that. So as I'm going to do all of this, I'll keep you guys updated next week. And yeah, I think that's all that I got right now. The waitlist link is in the description. You can click that and sign up so that you can join the waitlist to gain early access. And I think that's it for today's stream. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.